In today's Money Watch, American consumers are on a roll, and that's helping boost the economy. The latest numbers show economic growth actually doubled in the last 3 months, from 1.4% in the first quarter of 2024 to 2.8% in the second. CBS News business analyst Dollar Jill is here to tell us what all of this means. How you doing? Good morning.
Doing great.
All right, so what accounts for this better than expected growth in the economy?
It was a joint effort. I mean, we saw the businesses out there, they're restocking, they're buying equipment, the government spent money, and consumers, who account for almost 70% of the total economy, spent a lot more than expected. So this was a better than expected report, and I think that this really does bode well for right now.
But when you look at certain polls, many Americans are still struggling with higher prices. So how do you explain that dynamic?
Well, I think there's two things. If you are a wealthier American, the value of your house, the value of your portfolio has gone up a lot, and you're happy and you're spending money. But the lower to middle income Americans, I'm a little bit concerned about them because they are increasingly turning to debt. Credit card debt is increasing.
We've talked about this a ton,
yes,
right?
and revolving debt is up over $1 trillion. And, you know, when you have 22% rates on your credit cards, it's hard to pay that down. So I'm a little bit worried that those folks are going to run into trouble, potentially.
Do you think this growth will continue in the second half of the year?
If the job market remains solid, and it has been so far, then I think it's okay. But once we see any type of wage growth diminishing or job losses, that could put people at risk.
And what's quick advice for everybody going to the second half of the year?
Stockpile some cash because you never know what's going to happen.
Dollar Jill, I appreciate you.